going to be talking about the most common anemia worldwide, which is iron deficiency anemia, and its importance in autism. Why is iron, which is one of the most abundant minerals in the world, such a problem in human beings? Because 30% of the population does not get in enough iron. And without iron, you can't develop that red blood cell. The red blood cell is also called hemoglobin. Heme is iron, globin is protein. You have to have enough iron and enough protein to make that red blood cell. So if the red blood cell is small, you don't hold on to as much oxygen. When you have a small cell with low oxygen, you're going to become hypoxic, meaning low oxygen in your brain, in the GI tract, and all your organs. And without oxygen, we're in big, big trouble. In the autistic community, I find that iron deficiency is a huge problem, but most doctors are missing it because when they get that CBC, that blood count, to look at how much hemoglobin hematocrit you have, you need to look at the MCV in that study. It's mean corpuscular volume, the size of the red blood cell. They say it needs between 80 and 100 if you're using LabCorp Quest Labs. I will tell you this, if it's below 91, you need to think that this patient may have iron deficiency anemia. The other thing is I will then order a total iron and a percent saturation. That really tells me what's happening with iron in the body. And what I'm finding is this, one of two things. Either the iron is very low, total iron. I want it around 80. Normal in the labs is about 50 to 130. But listen, if it is below 80, you're going to have a problem. And then with saturation, if it's below 30, there's going to be a problem. What are you going to do? And that's what's so hard in the autistic community because they are so picky in their eating. And listen, as I talked to one family the other day, the kid he needs more protein. And the only thing he would eat was chicken nuggets. And I'm saying I'm not real excited about chicken nuggets, but if that's the protein, then give them chicken nuggets. You need 1 gram of protein for every 2.2 pounds of body weight. The other thing is iron is extremely important. So you may need to put them on little iron melts, iron with vitamin C so they don't get constipated. In some of my patients, I've actually had to send them to the hospital for iron infusions. But as you're talking to your doctor, have them check total iron and percent saturation. Because if you do not have enough iron in the body, the brain is extremely irritated. And you're going to see problems in the autistic community that really are going to make it hard to get them better because you need the iron to carry the oxygen.